2015 o Year of the Wooden Sheep maghatag og kalinaw ug mga oportunidad sa mga Pinoy, matod ni Feng Shui expert Master Hans Kua. Matod niya nga ang balanced astronomical signs nga wood, water, metal, fire ug earth maghatag og cooperation nga nagpakita og year of prosperity ug good luck sa tanan. Ang lucky color karong tuiga mao ang green nga giingong magdala og swerte sa mga negosyo. Samtang ang mga maayong mga negosyo mao ang dunay kalabutan sa textile, fashion, paper, rubber ug wood. Lakip sab ang technology ug mga pagkaunan.
In order to achieve our success. For the feng shui sector of the home, the southeast flies the illness star. If you're sick, avoid staying on this area. And if you're pregnant, avoid staying or sleeping on the southeast sector of the bedroom. Putting metal object will subdue the element of the illness star in the southeast. The south direction is the violent star. This brings in theft, robbery, arguments. Putting water element to subdue the robbery, the violent star in the south. The southwest flies the future or the long-term prosperity star of the 2015. And putting 9 pieces of crystal or stone, this will activate the wealth or the long-term prosperity of the business. The east sector of the home flies the victory star, which brings in success, career luck, and putting fortune plant or putting wood element on this sector enhances the victory star of the 2015 in the east corner. One of the problematic sector for the year is the center of the home. This bring in hostile energy. This bring in hunger energy, bringing arguments toward each one of the family members. And putting amethyst crystal to calm down the energy of the hostile star in the center. The most problematic sector with the 2015 is the west. Avoid activating this sector. Do not put telephone. Do not put your printer, your cell phone. Do not put anything loud or anything that can activate this sector of west. No groundbreaking on the sector of west. No renovating or repair the sector of west, because doing so would activate the misfortune sector. This will bring enormous bad luck. This will bring problem. This would bring diseases or illnesses to the family members. To subdue the 5 yellow misfortune star in the west, putting metal objects will subdue the element of 5 yellow misfortune star. One of the #1 most auspicious sector for 2015 is the north, which brings in enormous money luck, brings in good fortune, and brings in prosperity money star. If your main door of the house is facing north, use this often. Activate this by putting 8-rod wind chime. Putting water element on the north sector also enhances the wealth prosperity star for the 2015.